Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my videos, you're welcome. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this collar. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you. So here is the center back with the zipper on it. I'll be measuring the neck width of the center back, and I'll also go ahead and measure the neck width of the center front. I have 3 for the back and 4 for the front. So here I'll be making use of this soft padding. What I'll be doing is that I'll just kind of make a line to be the guide for me. So here I'll also be marking out that same line here. So after doing that, what I'll be doing next now is that I'll come in by 1.5 inches and I'll go ahead and just mark it down like that. And at this point here, I'll be taking down the front neck and I'll also be placing the back neck width. So after doing that, I'll just go ahead and extend the lines. So after extending the lines, what I'm gonna do is that I'll go ahead and add about 1.5 inches allowance there too. So what I'll be doing next now is that I'll be coming up by 1/2 inch and I'll just go ahead and slant it to the front, just like you see me doing. And here I'll just take it straight to the back. So what I'll be doing next is that I'll be taking the height of the collar. I want the collar to be 2 inches. You can go as low as 1.5. 1.5 would be the best measurement for this. So just go ahead and mark it out like that. Add your sewing allowance all the way around the collar and go ahead and cut it out. So after cutting it out, I have 2 because when I folded the thing was on fold. So I'll cut out 4 of the Ankara fabric and the padding itself is just 2 because I'll be ironing just 1 to each collar piece. And I'll turn it to this other side and I'll go ahead and iron the padding to the one of the collar, and I'll go ahead and stitch down the sides just like that. So after stitching it down, clip the edges so that they won't be bulky and go ahead and turn it inside out. So after turning it inside out, iron it if you have light. Then what I'll be doing next now is that I'll get the dress itself because it's time to attach it to the dress. And what you'll be doing is that you go ahead and fold the dress into 2 to get the center front and clip the center front, or you can also mark it. If you don't want to clip, you can just mark the center front with pin or chalk. So this longer edges here is going to be the center front. So I'll just go ahead and pin it down and pin it all the way to the back neck. So I'll just go ahead and pin it to get this particular thing to be nice. So first of all, what you're going to do here is that you overlap a little bit, just overlap a little bit of the collar to the neck like that. To get a perfect fit, go for 1.5 inches collar height. So after stitching it down, I have something like this. To make this edge to be neat, you can go ahead and overlock it. If you don't want to overlock it, you can go ahead and use a bias tape to finish the neck so that it will be neat. So I'll just use the bias tape to finish mine. So after sewing it with a bias tape, I have something like this. This is the wrong side of the fabric, where this is the right side of the fabric. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If there is any correction you would like to make, let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the notification bell. Until my next one, happy sewing.